Today we're at the perfect day at CocoCay. It's time to do some snorkeling on the afternoon of our first of 2 days at the perfect day at CocoCay, Royal Caribbean's private island in the Bahamas. This is episode 21 of the vlog from our Adventure of the Seas cruise in August of 2021. Right here in the video, we have just taken one of the trams to get back out to the island from the ship, and now we're joining the other tram that will take us over to the snorkeling, which is on the other side of the island.
Sounds familiar. The helium balloon rides. I guess that's the first stop. Oh, okay. Now we know where it's at.
Yeah.
So is that like the main entrance?
Yeah.
Because those are probably the huts that you could rent.
Yeah. Right up on the main entrance back there. This is where we're at for the jet skis.
Oh yeah.
So, there's definitely over here.
Where do you see them? Oh, is that the food? That's the food place. Yeah,
that's the
Chill Grill.
Chill Grill.
Is there? So is the snorkeling next to the jet skis?
It's over here somewhere.
I think he's looking for them, so I guess whenever he gets off. Unless he tells us. I don't see it on the sign.
Might be.
I'm looking for anybody with, because maybe you just go in the water right there?
No, there should
Once
be a
you-
station with the fence and all that.
Well, yeah, once you get the fence.
So I've mentioned in previous videos and in some of the live streams that the snorkeling at Perfect Day at CocoCay is kind of more for beginners, I guess you could say. It doesn't compare to like snorkeling in other parts of the world. The water, as you can see, is very cloudy. It's very, very shallow. You'll see here in a second that there's a lot of that seaweed grass that sort of grows on the bottom. But Perfect Day CocoCay is a perfect place to learn how to snorkel because, as you can see from this footage here, we backed into the water. They have the perfect set of equipment, the masks and the vest and the fins and everything to fit just about anybody, any adult, any child, etc. And there are lifeguards stationed right out here. You'll see them in just a second in this kind of area. There's one of them right there in the red. So it's just a very nice area to sort of learn how to snorkel. That would be probably the best way I can describe it. If you're an experienced snorkeler, you might be disappointed. I know I kind of was. I didn't know what to expect. But as soon as I got in the water and I saw the surroundings and I sort of started to put two and two together, it sort of made sense that this area would be this murky and this cloudy, just because of how much turbulence there is in the water, how shallow it is, etc. So we did run across some fish, and you'll see here in just a second that there's kind of like a little buried piece of a ship that I don't know if it was there from an actual shipwreck, because we are in the Bahamas, so it could be legit. I don't know if they planted it there in terms of the island. It definitely gives you something to look at when you're down there snorkeling, and you got some fish around it and stuff like that. But if you're going to do snorkeling at Perfect Day, just kind of understand that it's not the best snorkeling in the world. It's definitely a lot of fun. It's very easy to do. The staff is very, very helpful getting you set up at the little shack where they size you for the vest and the fins and so on. So here it is right here. Looks like it could have been left over as part of a shipwreck or something. I'm not really sure. So this will give you an idea of snorkeling at Perfect Day at CocoCay.